Hello, or Jumbo. How are you? I'm okay. Now we are continuing with our world tour online. Just names of the nations. Today we're gonna go a little farther. Africa. Actually, there isn't, or there is no country named just Africa. But there are countries which use the name Africa as a part of their names. Just like in Asia, we do not have a country called Arabia, but we know South Arabia. I'm sorry, Saudi Arabia. I mixed up with South America. I'm sorry. Well, that's gonna come later. So it's African series today, and again, try finding the capital city of those countries. All right, here's the list. Ooh, Africa also has many countries just like Asia, or even maybe more. Okay, in the alphabetical order as usual, Algeria, Angola, Benin, Botswana, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cameroon, Cape Verde, Central African Republic, Chad, Comoros, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Republic of the Congo, Djibouti, Egypt, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Eswatini, Ethiopia, Gabon, the Gambia, Ghana, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Ivory Coast, or in French name is Côte d'Ivoire, but we go by English names. Kenya, Lesotho, or Lesotho, Liberia, Libya, Madagascar, Malawi, Mali, Mauritius, Mauritania, Morocco, Mozambique, Namibia, Niger, Nigeria, Rwanda, Sao Tome and Principe, Senegal, Seychelles, Sierra Leone, Somalia, South Africa, South Sudan, Tanzania, Togo, Tunisia, Uganda, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. And there are no international recognition, but something like Sahrawi Arab Democratic Republic, which belongs to Western Sahara, or I would say Morocco, or near Morocco, or Somaliland, which is used to be under Somalia, but now it's not even member of UN. So I don't know. Also, other many places belong to European countries. So Australia, something like Canary Islands of Spain, Ceuta of Spain, of course, and the French Southern and Antarctic lands of France. Madrid, Madeira of Portugal, Mayotte of France, Melilla of Spain, Plaza de Sobrania of Spain, Réunion of France, Pelagic Islands of Italy, Socotra Archipelago of Yemen. Oh my goodness, so many more. Like Bouvet Islands of Norway, Head Islands and McDonald's Islands of Australia, and Saint Helena, Ascension, and Tristan de Cunha of British Overseas Territory. Okay, but as a country, okay, to Zimbabwe from Algeria, I think. Yes, you can only take those capitals. All right, that was the African series this time. Next week, where should we go? Take care. Aloha.